This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Noel Hernandez. One or more photos has been virtually staged. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is move-in ready. Open floor plan with a great-sized kitchen, which overlooks the dining and family entertainment area. Master room has a spacious closet, and a bathroom with garden tub and standing shower. There is also 2 comfortable-sized bedrooms with closets and an additional full-size bathroom. Property is located within minutes from Interstate I-4 off of exit 38. Call to schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.